So today we're setting up Ralph's blind here. The reason why we're pointing from the south to the north is the way the sun pivots out here in Colorado. The way we're gonna have it set up, the window's gonna face the tank, and when the sun comes up in the morning, it'll come up from the east, circle around behind us, and it'll settle out to the west. So we're never gonna have direct sunlight hitting us in the face where they can pick us up. So we'll have a lot more dark shadows this way. We're gonna set it up about 20 yards for a nice clean bow shot. Should be money.
Well, those T-posts are a savior, ain't they?
Yes, sir. So out here, sometimes you get some 40-mile-an-hour winds. And if you don't have these and you just have blind stakes in the ground,
they're gone.
Yeah, you're gonna come out here hunting, but you're not gonna have a blind out here. So this way, we're gonna pound them in all the corners, wire them down with baling wire, cinch them tight, and it'll be here when we get out here. So that's what we're doing now. It's time to start pounding.
That's years of experience, him losing blinds somewhere out in the prairie.
Yep, there's a few laying out here.
One of the best ways to do it.
Water.
Water, huh?
Especially when it's hot and dry.
Yeah.
So 90% of my success has been on water, and if you put the time in, you're gonna get a shot sooner or later, you know.
And that's it. It's just time, patience. And that's what we do. Early season, you're normally in August, you know, whether we're in Colorado, Wyoming, wherever we're at, but we're hunting antelope.